What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope all you guys are doing well out there, being safe. I want to go ahead and brighten up the front end, get rid of some of the things that make the car look old. For example, faded windshield cowl. Compared to this trim over here, this looks pretty bad. I'm gonna be using my heat gun to bring that back. I was gonna use some type of trim restore. That's only temporary, so that's why I'm going with the heat gun method, and hopefully today it works. I'm gonna go ahead and take a chance, and hopefully I don't burn the front end of my car, but we're gonna get into this. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. It's amazing what a little bit of heat can do, right? So now that you made it to the end of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys instructions about that 600 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. You guys don't know how much it means to me to finally hit 600. A couple things you gotta do for the giveaway. First one, you gotta be obviously subscribed to the channel. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Second, you gotta like the video. Third, you gotta comment down below. In this video in particular, any other video that you comment on, it won't count. It has to be this video here. Also, go ahead and head over to my Instagram and follow my Instagram account. So that will be in the description. So that's all you gotta do to enter the giveaway. It is a $50 Amazon gift card if you guys are interested. You have up until the end of this month. I believe June 1st, I will be doing YouTube generator for the comments down below. So go ahead and get those comments in if you guys are interested in a $50 Amazon gift card. I know I would be, but man, trim looks good. I got more packages on the way, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Stacking my dough, I feel so dope. Dripping the blown, I'm in the sky, just like a drone. They shooting at me, I'ma shoot back, I don't go prone. You left her alone, she hitting my phone like at a dome.